Hi friends, today we're going to discuss macOS Sequoia Window Tiling Feature. In this video, I will guide you on how to use the window tiling feature. Also, I'll give some extra tips and tricks. Hope you will enjoy this video, so let's start. The macOS Sequoia Window Tiling Feature allows users to arrange open windows into a layout that works best for them. Here are some key details about the feature. Tiling options. Users can tile windows to occupy half the screen, a quarter of the screen, or use a combination of these options. Keyboard shortcuts. There are keyboard shortcuts available for tiling windows, such as globe plus control plus left arrow, to move the window to the left half of the screen. Customization options. Users can hold the option key when moving a window to give themselves a bigger drop zone. Green button options. Users can hover over the green traffic light button in an app's top left corner to see more tiling options. Margins. Users can remove the gap between tiled windows, making them flush with each other. The feature is still in its early stages, and some users may find it tricky to place certain app windows so that they snap to corners. Additionally, some apps have minimum sizes that are larger than half a screen's width, which can make tiling difficult. Some users may prefer to use third-party apps like Better Touch Tool, Moom, or Rectangle, which offer more advanced features and customization options. To use the window tiling feature in macOS Sequoia, users can follow these steps. Drag a window to the edge of the screen until a frame appears. Release the window to drop it into place. Use keyboard shortcuts or the green button options to customize the tiling layout. Adjust the margins and other settings as needed. So first tip is, use the option key to hold windows in place while dragging them to a new location. Second is, use the green button options to quickly move and resize windows. Second to last is, experiment with different tiling layouts to find the one that works best for you. So last tip is, consider using third-party apps for more advanced features and customization options. So guys, I covered the window tiling feature in Sequoia in this short time. Please drop your comments if you have some questions. Also, give me your feedback regarding Sequoia. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, take care and thanks for watching.